college is one of the most exciting phases of our lives. The first thing that comes to our mind when we think of graduating from a dream college is the academic support, along with a magnificent experience and the best of peers. I'm here to introduce you to Nyan Prasarak Mandal's College and Research Center. The captain of our ship, an illustrious leader who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Our principal, Dr. D.B. Arolkar, has been an epitome of excellence in leadership. Let us hear from Sir.
Hello students and welcome to our college, Nyan Prasarak Mandal's College and Research Center, Asargaon, Goa. Dear students, let me congratulate all of you for taking admission to one of the best colleges of India. I am indeed very proud to tell all of you, our college has been assessed and accredited by NAC with A grade and is ranked among top 120 colleges of India consistently for the past 4 years. Our BBA program has been ranked 28 at all India level by Times of India. Friends, our college has also been given A grade under Swachhata Mahavidyalaya scheme of Goa University. Our college has been doing extremely well in academics as well, and the gold medals and the ranks which have been achieved by the students during the last so many years is a testimony of the same. In fact, I am very proud to announce that last year one of our students of MCOM class bagged gold medal at university, and before that several gold medals have been won by our students in academics as well. Friends, college is a place where you not only study but develop your personality, wherein you can have all-round development of yourself, and therefore keeping this in mind, college over the years has created the required infrastructure and facilities which are needed for this development. Friends, I can tell you that our college has the best of infrastructure and the state-of-art facilities for conducting teaching learning process. Ours is one of the colleges that has excelled in sports, NCC, NSS, dramatics and other extracurricular activities. Our college offers diverse programs like BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA, MCom, MSc Pharmaceutical Chemistry, MSc Organic Chemistry, MSc Environmental Science, and PhD in Commerce and Chemistry. Also, there are several short-term certificate courses like NCCMP course, which is offered in association with National Stock Exchange of India, as well as several other courses which you can enroll and complete successfully during your tenure in our college. You all will have a great advantage over other students if you complete at least 2 to 3 certificate courses during your entire tenure in our college. Since you all are going to join first year, maybe BA, BSc, BCom or BBA, BCA. For first year BA, BSc, BCom, we are offering choice-based credit system. You can accumulate credit, that is, if you are enrolled for a general program, you will have to complete 136 credit, and if you are enrolled for a honors program, you will have to complete 152 credits. After after completing 136 credits or 152 credits, you all will be awarded the degree by the university. If you want to specialize in a particular subject, then you will have to do it from your semester 3. So there is a slight change this year. If you want any specialization, you will have to specialize from second year itself, that is semester 3. Over the years, our college has recruited some of the highly qualified, talented, committed, dedicated and competitive teachers. In fact, ours is one of the college wherein we have almost 25% of our teachers with PhD degree. We also have very dedicated and committed support staff which are working behind the scene for making your stay here comfortable and to ensure that the teaching learning process becomes very enjoyable. You all are entering college life. I'm sure you must have decided already the subject in which you want to specialize or graduate. But besides that, there are so many things to be done in the college. There are so many activities that will be conducted throughout the year, and participation in these activities will help you a lot, especially to develop your personality. And therefore, I would like to request each and every one of you to see that you participate in the various activities conducted by the college, because that is one of the most essential thing that is required to build and develop your personality. Because merely getting a first class or a distinction will not help you in the job market. Especially the employers are now looking at well-groomed individuals who are capable of doing several tasks at the same time. And these extracurricular activities will help all of you to accomplish this task. Currently, we are going through this very difficult times because of COVID-19 pandemic. I know last 2 years, all of you have been confined to your homes and forced to undertake this teaching learning through online mode. This year as well, till today we are not sure how we are going to go ahead. But if the situation improves, I am sure we will be able to call all of you to the college campus and have offline classes and conduct all other activities. Nonetheless, our teachers who are appointed as class mentors will be in touch with you, and whatever difficulties you have or whatever issues you have, I think you should speak to your mentors and we will try to address all those issues. Dear students, Swami Vivekananda has said, we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Friends, we in this college exactly do the same, and it is proved by the students who have passed out from this college. Dear students, welcome once again. Enjoy yourself, achieve your goals. All the best and have an enjoyable, fruitful and happy time in this college.
Classrooms filled with young blood, everlasting friendships blooming throughout, hustling corridors, exam stress. Everyone has their own sweet idea of college.
Today it is my pleasure to make you aware about the college infrastructure. Infrastructure plays an important role in the academic excellence. Keeping this point in mind, the college principal and the management have taken every care to make you available the best of infrastructure. This has been proved by the recent survey that is published by India Today, wherein our college has been the topper among all the colleges in Goa. The college campus is spread over an area of 80,000 square meters, having beautiful landscape gardens and has very easy access. The office is divided into three parts: the administrative, the account section, and the cabin of the principal and the vice principal. Then we have building number 2, wherein you will find BCA department, BBA department, MCOM department. Then we have a science building. In the science building, we have electronics department, chemistry department, and physics department. There is also laboratories of physics department, electronics department, and chemistry department. So these are some of the infrastructure facilities that are provided by the college. So please make use of them and safeguard the college property.
One thing many students fail to discover is the amount of opportunities available in the campus. Gyan Prasarang Mandal's College and Research Center offers a plethora of resources for students to identify and explore their talents and also mold them.
I'm going to speak about the Wi-Fi facilities in the college. College has 60 Mbps of bandwidth, and it is available for the students. Students can use Wi-Fi facility anywhere in any building, and it is very important nowadays for you to download your e-content. Only thing is that you have to register your device with the system administrator on payment of a nominal fee of rupees 100, and it is valid for 1 full year.
The library acts like the nucleus of any college. At TMC, the library ensures that each student has equitable access to resources irrespective of home opportunities and constraints.
One good book is equivalent to 100 friends, but one good friend is equivalent to a library. We are having comprehensive library resources on the library website, wherein you are going to get syllabus copies and what are the books available in the library. Those all the information you are going to get it in the library website. We have 40,000 printed books, 31,35,000 electronic books, 6,000 electronic journals on various subjects which you can access through your user ID and password given by us.
Apart from the library, TMC is a home to numerous cells and associations for the students' overall growth and development. Let us have a look at them.
We at Gyan Prasarang Mandal's College and Research Center strongly believe that young minds are full of energy, enthusiasm and creativity, and therefore do things in a very constructive manner. Leadership development is an important aspect of overall personality development of a student. Catching young leaders at the right time and at the right manner is very important. Students' Council and Welfare Association is rightly doing the same thing. Students' Council conducts elections for the Students' Council of a college in a very democratic and cordial manner. I appeal to all the students to actively participate in all the activities of the Students' Council.
Extra and co-curricular activities boost the self-esteem of the students, and this self-esteem helps them to face the outside world more confidently and courageously. The activities outside the classroom increases the learning abilities of the students and helps them to identify their personal traits such as public speaking, leadership qualities, thinking out of the box, and so on. The students of the college have made us proud at various intercollegiate, state, national, and even international level competition. The cultural association of the college is vibrant and actively involved in organizing various competitions, events, programs, and etc. We at DM's College do not just promote the students at academic front, but also give them a strong platform through which they can develop their personalities. Our teachers are very talented and experienced artists, the benefit of which we can certainly get during practice sessions and rehearsal hours. Looking forward to you all to carry on the legacy of the Cultural Association.
Not me but you is motto of NSS. NSS help us to serve community and entire nation. Our students join NSS and face all the challenges with full confidence.
College offers NCC Army and NCC Navy, where first year students, girls and boys, can join NCC with certain selection procedure. NCC provides an opportunity to develop your personality, character, leadership qualities, and will make a confident human being.
A fit mind in a fit body. We at DM's College give you best of facilities, environment and professional guidance to train and excel in the desired sports.
Hello. We want to trigger your literary skills through the Literary Association of our college. We have n number of activities under this association. If you participate, definitely I'll tell you, you can improve your vocabulary, not only vocabulary, your speaking skills, writing skills, and this will help you in future.
Hi friends, I'm sure you are waiting for this day, but I know that right now we can't meet physically, and we will after some days, isn't it? And I'm sure you're waiting for this classroom, the noise, meeting your friends, meeting your new teachers, and definitely we are going to do it. But I'll tell you something, though you can have lots of fun as much as you want, like in 3 Idiots, there are certain rules which we will have to follow. If you don't follow those rules, no virus will come. He'll not come. But there are rules which can come. We have something called ICC, Internal Complaints Committee. If anyone teases someone against their wishes, or if they find it is in sexual harassment, they can come to this committee. Or suppose if someone is ragged, someone is teased, if there is harassment, we have a harassment committee. And if teachers speak, roughly to you, or you are not comfortable what they are saying, or you feel insulted, there is a grievance committee. So we have different committees and people who will be watching over and looking at the discipline. So you have to keep in mind that we are not going to do anything negative, but we are going to study and have lots of fun. Welcome to DM's.
After important milestones in education, each of us face one common question: what next? That is, after 12th, graduation or post-graduation. Career counseling is answer to all these questions. The career guidance cell of our college provide various services to our students, which includes career guidance talks by experts from different fields. Besides talks and sessions, we also conduct workshops on resume writing, personal interview. So these activities help students in order to get experience, in order to get benefits for their future career life.
The Commerce and Economic Association conduct co-curricular activities for the students. As a result of Commerce and Economic Association, definitely students will update their knowledge and the skill in the field of commerce and economics discipline.
Hey DMCMs, one of the greatest gifts that we have been bestowed upon is Mother Earth. We at the Nature Club invite you to help us to protect and preserve Mother Nature through various treks, tours, enlightening talks, and other activities. So, for the Earth we adore, let's do more. Join the Nature Club and live, love, and celebrate nature.
The Employment and Placement Cell will arrange a meeting of your hard work with your destiny at the job fairs. The cell also provides employable training scheme by ways of workshop, seminars, and certificate courses.
In today's world, the role of science and technology in our lives is indispensable. Thus, in order to inculcate scientific temper amongst our students, the Science Association organizes a variety of activities ranging from quizzes, demonstrations, seminars, workshops, and so on. In the past few years, we have had many eminent personalities from the field of science and technology interacting with our students and inspiring and motivating them to contribute to this field. Our college has been successfully hosting Science Expo, an exhibition of innovative and creative projects by our own students, not only from the science faculty but also from commerce, arts and others. We look forward to having you as a part of Science Association, and let us together organize many interesting, innovative and fun-filled activities.
In this fast-moving world, social media is something which keeps us in touch with the happenings of the world. At DMC, we have a strong social media presence on possibly all the social media platforms. We are alive on Facebook, very active on Instagram, and of course, we have our presence on Twitter. Follow the hashtag BeingDMCian to know more.
We educate, we train, we guide, we motivate, and moreover, we love and care every student over here at DM's College and Research Center. Dear students, we assure you that you will enjoy your college life journey in this campus.
So this was your first step towards understanding your college. I wish you all a happy lifetime at DMC. Let us pledge to inspire, ignite and transform to excel. Welcome to Dominant DMC. Welcome, proud DMCians.